Hey, what's going on there, YouTube? This is your host, VLD, coming back with another video. And today I would like to do something a little bit different. I'd like to review the Apple MagSafe Duo. How I would like to actually review that, but today we got something a little bit different. Today we have a MagSafe Duo knockoff clone from Amazon. I got this for about 30 bucks, and this is, what you would expect. It's a $30 knockoff, so do you get your bang for your buck for this one? In this video, I'll show you if you do or not, and let's dive in and let's take a look at this magnetic charging dock, which clearly is not a knockoff and is not from China. But let's go. Listing itself, it says it can do 15 watts, it's USB Type-C, it's small, it's compact, you can put it in your pocket or your bag, and you can charge two devices in one, and you can pick it up for $29.99 right now off Amazon. And all in all, it seems like a fairly solid device just from the listen itself. That's why I'm here to review it for you. And if you look at the bottom, on the actual listen itself, the watch output is 2 watts and the actual Qi wireless charging is 5 watts. And let's actually dig inside of it. Let's see what's actually inside the box itself and go from there. Let's see if the listen itself will live up to the unfortunate no hype for this device. Once you open it, you get a little pamphlet which tells you about dear value customers, which is just a scam. Crunch that, file that to the side. You get an instruction booklet about the device itself. I mean, it's pretty much self-explanatory. You have an Apple Watch charger and a Qi wireless pad. It says it can do 15 watts. I also am given a USB Type-C cable to USB Type-A, which honestly I would not trust it just because I don't want my house burned down. So I have my own cable, so we're good. So let's actually crack it open and see how it is. You open the device, it looks like a regular Apple Duo charger itself. It's flush, it's pretty flat. There's your wireless charging mat, and then there's the Apple one itself. And all in all, like, the feel isn't too bad. I mean, it feels like meh. And the watch charger itself, it's not super sturdy. I mean, like the Apple Watch charger, the magnets inside of it are pretty strong. This is a little bit more flimsy. And you can see like a gentle push can kind of knock it off. I mean, it is what it is. And I mean, a slightly stronger magnet would be nice to it. But I mean, for 30 bucks for a Duo charger, you can't really complain. And with it itself, it also takes a USB Type-C cable to charge it right here. So I mean, that's pretty nice. It's not lightning, so you can use one cable to rule them all. And you just plug it into the back. It goes in on the back of the Apple Watch charger side, and you just plug it in and you're good to go. The watch will recognize the charger and you're off to the races. And just like I said before, the magnets aren't super strong like the Apple Watch one. You gotta like pry it off. This one, a gentle gust of wind will kind of knock it off. And like the actual holder, like the actual plastic piece for the watch itself, for the charger, it's a thin piece of plastic, so I would recommend being a little bit gentle with it. And it is a little bit flimsy right there. It's not the most sturdiest, so handle it with care if you want to keep this going well. But I mean, keep it on a table, it will hold up. And on the other side itself, you just have a Qi wireless charging. I was kind of hoping that the MagSafe symbol would pop up, but I've tried USB Type-C to C, C to A, and nothing really changes. It's just a Qi wireless charging, so you're stuck at 7.5 watts. More or less, it'll probably just be 5 watts for wireless charging, and the watch is 2. Like I said, it's a Qi wireless charging, so I have a pair of AirPod Pros that can do wireless charging. I'm taking the case off just to show you the light indicator that it is actually charging it. And anything with wireless charging will charge on that side. As you can see right there with the lighting, it is charging it. So that is another plus to it. And with this, I mean, it works. And there's also magnets on the bottom of the wireless charging side for your iPhone. And it's not super sturdy, they're fairly weak, but I mean, it's a little extra add-on that they give to you. But all in all, I do like this device. The Apple MagSafe Duo is $130, which I cannot justify it, but for like a cheap clone like this, I can recommend it for $30. I wouldn't pay anything more. So I would recommend this to actually buy it. Smash that bell, subscribe, and let my channel grow more.